How to show the ruler in Microsoft Word. This tutorial shows you how to enable it so you can align text, margins, and objects more precisely. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. From there, click the View tab in the ribbon. After that, look for the Ruler checkbox in the Show group. At this point, click that checkbox to turn it on. Once enabled, a horizontal ruler appears just below the ribbon, along with a vertical ruler on the left side of the page in most view modes. At this stage, this becomes especially useful when you're adjusting margins, since you can click and drag directly on the ruler to change them instead of digging through the Layout tab. Following this, the ruler also shows indent markers for the paragraph your cursor is in, letting you drag those markers to adjust first-line indents or hanging indents visually. From here, if you're working with tabs, clicking anywhere along the top of the ruler sets a custom tab stop at that exact position. At this stage, if you ever want to hide it again, just go back to the View tab and uncheck that same ruler box. That's how you show the ruler in Microsoft Word. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!